Patanjali. Every part of your body is independently breathing, inhaling and exhaling. It's very strange, but true. Every part of your, don't think you are breathing only through nose. Through nose you take the air. Through the whole body you take the air energy. Prana does not mean air. Prana means air energy. Please be very clear. Prana means air energy. According to Patanjali, every pore takes the prana and sucks the prana and leaves the apana. It does the breathing, inhaling and exhaling. It takes the ether directly from the cosmos. Actually, I had my own doubt. Is this true? I met a yogi who was under the ground in Uttar Karnataka. He stayed under the ground in a closed, tight container for 1 full year. 1 full year, no food, no water, no air. He stayed inside one full year. After the 1 full year, when he came out, suddenly actually when he came out, he had my darshan. Strange, I never knew him. He had my darshan. He came to the ashram to see me and to have a blessings. When he came, I asked him, how did you manage to do this? How are you able to do that? He said, this is the Sutra Swami. This is the Patanjali Yoga Sutra only. Then I understood, even for modern men, it is alive. Then later on, I started scanning the technique consciously. Then I was able to understand, when ordinary plant can produce energy directly from sun, why not your body? It is intelligent. It has got intelligence. When you can awaken this intelligence, naturally you will take, food intake will be less. All our devotees, they come and tell me, Swamiji, after the ASP, the food intake has become so less, but I am feeling alive, energetic. Food intake has become less. I become a little lean, but I am alive and energetic. I am fresh. Once the body intelligence is awakened, you don't need much food from outside. You don't need to put the stuff continuously inside. You don't need to stuff your body. You will do meditation technique, which is 2-step. Which has got 2 steps. First step is from the toe to head, step by step, we will tense and release the energy blockages, energy clots. We will concentrate on it, tense, maximum pressure, create the maximum pressure in every region, so that the whatever energy clots are there, let them be evaporated. Create the pressure as if you will burst. We will go from toe to head, cleansing the energy clots, and then from head to toe, inhaling and exhaling. That is going to be very tricky. You should visualize. If I say head, you are expected to visualize only this top portion, crown portion is inhaling and exhaling. Breathe through that area. Feel you are inhaling the prana, exhaling the prana through that region. Every pore, every hair hole, every pore is inhaling and exhaling. Feel your head is shrinking and expanding through inhaling and exhaling. Visualize it step by step. Then eyes. Visualize you are inhaling the prana, exhaling the apana through eyes. Then ears. Step by step. Continuously visualize. Continuously visualize. Continuously inhale and exhale. Continuously, step by step, finish the whole body. Don't stop at any portion, at any time. Whether you are going from here to tensing or coming from there to here relaxing. Don't stop. One more thing. After that, leg, if I come to knee, remember only the knee. Forget about the leg. Don't bother about it. Don't think you should relax it. Don't think you should tighten it. Forget about it. Remember only the portion which I am guiding you. Step by step by step, will go up and come down. Any doubt in the instruction? You can start. I'll guide you step by step. Please tie the ribbon. Anybody diabetic? You can go and eat if you want something on. Start breathing as slowly and as deeply. Inhale and exhale as slowly as possible, as deeply as possible. Let your hands be relaxed in the side. Start breathing as slowly and as deeply as possible. If you are heart problem, if you are a heart patient or expectant mother, only then. Otherwise, put your whole effort and do it. Anybody else? Any experience? It is not like that.
My body was trembling, feel very cold, and I cannot stop it.
We stopped the AC, not because of AC.
Yeah, but it was kind of a cool feeling in
Cold, very cold, very icy feeling.
No, we switched off the see. We switched off. Actually, for my sake, we switched it off. Just before starting the meditation, I told switched off. When the prana flow starts, you become more cool, and your whole being becomes cool.
Does it trembles the whole body?
So naturally,
Personal areas got to be rather painful.
wherever you have the blockages, wherever the pains are black, it will be released.
I had an accident in July and I had a pain over here. It reduced, but after 2 minutes I'm feeling the pain.
You will see that it will disappear now. It will simply disappear.
What I thought was,
Clear up out and it will disappear.
what I thought was interesting, when I was feeling the pain, and I noticed I was hearing other people, it was like, okay, I'm not
Yes.
So when I was tensioning and I'm going up, higher up, then for a short while I kind of heard like a sound. And so when I was breathing from the top, I thought kind of my hand was moving every time I'm moving. Little sensation, very fine sensation.
That's nice. Visualization will help you.
I feel like I have more space inside of myself.
Whenever you find time, see when you are sitting and watching movie, or talking, walking, driving, especially in this country, half of your life you spend in driving. Driving. You don't need to do the first step. Be very clear. There is no need for doing the first step. Second step you can do it directly. There is no need for first step. Just second step. Just visualize. your whole body is inhaling and exhaling. Your whole body is porous and taking the energy and releasing it. You will see immediately you will be fresh and alive. That's first thing. And lie down in the bathtub with full water and do the same meditation. Your body will take the air, water energy. Skin diseases will be healed. And apart from the skin disease getting healed, water energy will be taken in. Your body will take the water energy. Water is not water energy, understand? There are subtle energies. The Jala Shakti, the water energy will be taken by your body. Your body will have more water energy. At least just lie down 10 minutes and allow the